que estás aquí, tan cerquita de mí, y me hacía falta, porque la última vez que vine tú no estabas, baby. Oh, vamos a tomar toda la noche, mujer, te invito a bailar hasta el amanecer.
You can order maids for cleaning per month X1,000 baht. She can stay 3 hours. We are taking shower together. Hello everyone, welcome to Queen of Pattaya. Please subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell too. Today I stay with Guxi.
Hello everybody. Hello all guys.
Today we show you luxury pool villa. For 1 month, just 28,000 baht. If you like me, please hit like. If you like me, please hit like. You see this pool behind me? So beautiful here. Later, taste the pool with Guxi. And here have some shower. When you finish swimming pool, you can shower here. Very good. Okay. And you see here have some mini bar. You can drink or enjoy here, or talk with your friend. Everything you can do. Okay, come to follow me. I show you inside the house. Next to mini bar, and you come inside the house, you see sleeping room here, big bed. Spring is very good. Spring very good here. You can order maids for cleaning 8,000 per month. She can stay 3 hours every day. Do you like my dress clothing?
Ya vi que estás aquí, tan cerquita de mí, y me hacía falta, porque la última vez que vine tú no estabas, baby.
TV here and cabinet here for put your shirt inside, and toilet room. Here inside, big shower, and when you shower, you can see the view here, view like a garden here.
Tú quieres jugar y no quieres perder. Vamos a bailar, quiero verte mover lento, hasta que el sol junte nuestros cuerpos. Muy lento, más tarde vamos a enloquecer. Y si me dejas, tú serás mi mujer. Cuánto se nota que me quieres comer. Por eso sé que vamos a enloquecer. Más tarde vamos a enloquecer. Y si me dejas, tú serás mi mujer.
So now I take it on swimming pool. It's very nice.
Por eso sé que vamos a enloquecer. Ya vi que estás aquí, tan cerquita de mí, y me hacía falta, porque la última vez que vine tú no estabas, baby.
Okay, we go see another room.
Que solo te lado de esa noche, vamos al oscuro, hasta las 12. Ay, sí que tú me conoces, suavecito. Suavecito vamos hasta abajo. Tú tomas tequila, yo voy con refajo. Pasamos bueno, te gusta el relajo. Y de 100 billetes yo cargo un
You can enjoy here in living room.
noche, mujer. Te invito a bailar hasta el amanecer. Tú quieres jugar y no quieres perder. Vamos a bailar, quiero verte mover. Hasta que el sol junte nuestros cuerpos.
One more sleeping room here.
Y si me dejas, tú serás mi mujer. Cuando se nota que me quieres comer, por eso sé que vamos a enloquecer. Es que se nota.
One more bathroom here. Wow, beautiful kitchen here. You can cook anything what you want here. Can wash your shirt here. If you go outside, you can make garden here too. You can design your garden. Oh, I see Guxi swimming here.
Come join me, guys.
Yeah, I want to join with Guxi too.
Hi guys, come join me to see on the swimming pool with the nice swimming suit. Hi guys, if you come on holiday, you come to Thailand, you can have that enjoy time like this, like I did today. Nice swimming pool, nice location, nice pool villa here.
And night place too.
There's always have to be nice place.
Ya vi que estás aquí, tan cerquita de mí, y me hacía falta, porque la última vez que vi de
So if you come here, join with us, maybe you're gonna get a girlfriend, Thai girlfriend here.
หน้าไปใส่นะหมดเลยนะ Wow, shower there have like look like when you shower and you have some disco cup there.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Fresh.
Clean.
Okay, now today we enjoy so much in this place. Very cool here, cool place, it's nice place. The view is good.
Now I will show you karaoke room. Follow me. Yes, I follow you. You can make some party and enjoy. Really enjoy here in karaoke room. Okay, now we need to go to bathroom. Let's go. I need to take final shower with soap. Of course. We are taking shower together. Thank you for watching us and don't forget to subscribe on my channel to Queen of Pattaya. Bye bye. See you next video.
Bye. So now enough for today. See you in the next trip. And if you want to enjoy with us, just look at the video Queen of Pattaya. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe the channel Queen of Pattaya. Bye bye. $8,000 for per month. She come to stay
2 hour 3 hour.
Wow, fantastic. You can send me super thank or be member on my channel. I love Queen of Pattaya. Yay!